Welcome to Cireta Launchpad, your gateway to investing in real-world tokenized assets. In this guide, we'll walk through the complete investor journey, from signing up to claiming your tokens. Step 1. Registration and sign up. Visit the platform and click Register. Enter your email, create a password, and submit the form. Check your inbox for a verification email and click the link to continue. Then, choose your role, consumer or business, complete your profile, and access your dashboard. Step 2. Dashboard overview. Once logged in, the dashboard displays ongoing sales, pre-listing sales, closed sales. Plus, keep an eye on platform announcements for important updates. Step 3. Sale categories. In ongoing sales, you'll find live token sales with sale name, description, price, remaining tokens, minimum purchase amount, and a Buy Now button. In pre-listing sales, you'll see upcoming projects, launch dates, projected prices, and a Notify Me option. Step 4. Sale details. Clicking on a sale opens its full overview: project background, team info, tokenomics, white paper links, pricing tiers, sale terms, timelines, and more. Each page includes total token supply, sale allocation, price, purchase limits, accepted currencies, vesting schedule, and lockup periods. Step 5. Identity verification. To invest, you must complete verification. Consumers provide personal info, upload ID, proof of address, and a selfie. Businesses submit company registration, tax info, and board member KYC. Track your verification status on the dashboard: pending, under review, approved, or rejected, with action steps if needed. Step 6. Purchasing tokens. Once verified, you can begin. The system checks compliance, including verification, investment limits, and legal eligibility. If approved, proceed to the purchase flow. Select quantity, view real-time pricing, choose a payment method, agree to terms, and confirm. Tokens will be added to your portfolio right after payment. Step 7. Vesting and claiming. Access the Vesting tab to view your total allocation, claimed and released tokens, cliff date, vesting type, claim frequency, and network. When tokens are available, a claim button appears. You can also view your full unlock schedule in table form. And that's it. From registration to portfolio tracking, Cireta Launchpad makes investing secure, smooth, and accessible. Start your journey today, only on Cireta.